Hello everyone, Fliki is offering 50% discount on its annual plans for the next 48 hours only, and I will show you how you can get this discount. Open Fliki from the link in my description. Click here on login, and if you don't have an account then you can create one right away. After logging in, click here on Cyber Week 50% off. As you can see here, use coupon FLIKIBFCM50 at checkout to get 50% off on all annual plans. Choose between the standard or premium plan according to your choice and then click here on Make Payment. On the left-hand side there is this option to enter promo code. Click and then type FLIKIBFCM50. Click on Apply and boom, you have a massive 50% discount. This is a limited time deal, so avail this special discount as early as possible. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that captions videos with just one click, then check out this video right here. Thanks for watching.